Suppressing sneezes causes brain aneurysms. This instinct to be quiet is dangerous. A sneeze creates a massive surge in cranial blood pressure. If you pinch your nose, the pressure has no exit. This pressure wave hits the blood vessels in the brain. If a vessel is weak, it will rupture instantly. This leads to a stroke or a brain bleed. This injury can happen in a fraction of a second. To stay safe, you must always sneeze with an open mouth. Never block your nostrils while the sneeze is occurring. Let the air move through the natural passages as designed. This protects the internal pressure of your skull. Let the sneeze go. Protect the brain vessels.